Hey everybody, Scott from Maine Survivalist again. This is part 2 of a video on the weather today. As you can see, we have collected some snow here since this morning. It's almost 4:30. It's about 4:25 actually. If you remember from earlier, the streets and stuff were fairly clear. I'm going to come out and show you how they are now. You can see the sidewalk. Actually, this is the regular sidewalk, the street. Back the other way. Now there's the street. At least 3 inches in the street there. I'll walk down the sidewalk a little bit. Remember how the truck looked earlier? You can still see some green. Yep, here it is now. A little bit later. Bed of the truck. And actually, look on the side rail. See a few inches there. How deep it is here. 2.5 to 3 inches there. You see that. Stuff on the camper is going to get covered. You see the tarp has continued to blow quite a bit. The bolts are still a little bit loose, but somehow it's managed to stay on. So it's quite interesting. You can see the yard now. Several inches of snow in it. Earlier you saw just a dusting. And we got quite a bit more. Let's see if I can scan in a little bit and you see what it almost looks like. Middle of winter somewhere. Yeah, if you didn't know better, you'd swear this was in January or February, the way it looks. So, walk around the yard, you can see the rest of it. Remember from earlier, some snow on the cap and on the pop-up. Come back around over here. You can see this pine tree we planted when we first moved here back in 2003. It was a small foot-tall sapling. It's now got to be at least 11 to 12 feet tall. Looks like a big Christmas tree with all the snow on it. Close up of it. Really, really pretty. And I'll explain in a little later time what the futon frame is doing in the middle of the yard. That's the story for another day. Here's the old truck tires I can't seem to get rid of. Nobody wants them. Oh well. Anyway, you remember how this looked earlier? There's still quite a bit of green you can see, and now it's quite covered. Remember our sign in front earlier? That's fully covered in snow. A little windmill, still plugging along. And just like earlier, there's a wrought iron bench. So, there you go. It's not snowing as heavy, but the wind is still blowing pretty harsh. Anyway, there you have it. Very first snowstorm. It's supposed to snow until about not the nor'easter they said it was. Here a nor'easter